Hello beautiful beaders, welcome to today's tutorial. I'll be showing you how to bead using the right angle pattern that I normally use in almost all my tutorials. So yeah, let's get started. So the first step is to cut your fishing line and then fold it into half. So you should start by picking 4 black beads, then crisscross with the last one. Now we want to continue with the pattern. So the next step, since you already have one bead, we are going to pick 3 more beads. Go ahead and pick one bead on one side and another bead on the other side, and then pick another bead that is going to be at the center. So you just continue beading until you finish off your bracelet, and if you happen to run out of thread, I do have a video showing you how to do that, so be sure to check it out.